What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Alejandro's Engineered Lifestyle. My name is Alejandro Mendoza, and I'm a mechanical engineer working in aerospace. This is my KTM 890 Duke R, and today we're going to be deep cleaning the chain. As you know, if you own a 790 or an 890, the chain can be a major point of grief, a lot of squeaking, as well as perhaps some quick shifting issues as well. So first things first, we're going to want to get the bike up on stands. We're going to want to remove these chain guards. This is critical, guys, because look at all of this filth, all the road debris. This stuff is just abrading away the chain, and if you do not remove this, as I didn't up until this point, as I bought the bike used, really I was doing my chain damage, even though I was believing that the chain was clean as I was cleaning it with the sprocket cover as well as the chain guard on. So following these steps, we're going to remove both, and really it's going to reveal all of the sludge on which we have a lot of road debris built up. So this is, pretty typical. It can result if you're over lubing your chain and the lube slings off, of course, attracting that debris. But in general, this is something that just goes along with owning a chain-driven bike. So what we're going to want to do to remove this is obviously wipe away some of the large portions of sludge and then hit it with Maxima cleaner. This stuff, once you leave it on for a while, does wonders, just melts away all of the sludge. And with a simple wipe, we can get our chain guard and our sprocket guard nice and shiny again. An important thing to note, though, before doing this to the bike itself, you are going to want to use a brush to really attack all of the road debris, all the pebbles that are in hard to find spaces. So an example of this is here on the sprocket. You actually see the sprocket itself is a little dirty. The surrounding area, yes, dirty as well, but the critical area here is the guide. And as you travel along the guide, you notice more and more debris built up, and this stuff is what can damage your chain overall if left unaddressed. So what we're going to want to do is remove all of that debris just with our brush. Nothing fancy here. We're not even attacking it with the cleaner yet, but it is critical to then lift the chain. As you can see, it reveals so much more debris, especially on that backside. And there is actually a fastener to fasten this guide to the swing arm as well, I pointed out here, in which there is a pool of sludge and debris. This is critical to wipe out as well. So after we get all of the visible debris out of the way, we are going to then hit it with our Maxima cleaner. So as you could hear in that clip there, we have quite a bit of resistance to rolling, which means we have a very dirty chain. Ultimately, we're going to hit it with that Maxima cleaner and attack it from every angle. This is basics of chain cleaning. I'm sure all of you know this. However, we're going to take the opportunity to also clean our gears and sprocket. As you can see there, as the Maxima cleaner is working, it leaves a little bit of the kind of film there, and we're going to wipe that down with the microfiber to make sure that this chain is not only shining but also squeaky clean. And the benefits of having this happy chain is really magnified by the Quickshifter on the 890 and 890 Duke R. This is kind of finicky on this model. I know there's been a lot of discussion on forums as to how to improve the quick shifting experience. It really all starts here with chain cleanliness, also chain health, making sure that your chain is not degraded by any of this road debris or left with any weak spots. We're going to be going into that in future videos, as well as going into tensioning, tools to verify tension as well as evaluate health. And all these can be factors in how your quick shifter experience is on this bike. So ultimately, now that we have a lube chain, I'm just going to wipe away any excess lube to avoid any slinging onto the covers. As we can hear here, dirty chain, clean chain. That sounds awesome. So this again is the very first in a series about the chain, about tensioning, about the quick shifter. So if you're looking to really nail down your quick shifter settings, definitely consider subscribing, drop a like if this video has helped you, and have a great day. Thanks, everyone.